Okay, so today we're going to make this pop-up Ten Commandments craft. I'm using the color version, and that's how easy I can cut when I use video editing. So I didn't do it here, but I do highly recommend you score your fold lines. I'm just sort of winging the folds here. All done. Now it's time to glue the tabs. So I'm going to put glue on tab A and then line it up with the placeholder A, just like that. Now you might think that you're going to do the same on the other side, but you're going to do what I call the pop-up pickup. So glue on tab B and then you fold the other side over to pick up the tab. This ensures that the tab is placed exactly where it needs to be for the best pop-up. And when you open it, make sure you do open it completely flat for the 10 Commandments to stand up.